Make your AI characters talk in Comfy UI on your own computer for free. This is LTX 2.3, lip sync and native audio, all in one pass.
LTX 2.3 is an open-weight model from Lightricks that generates video and audio at the same time. Give it a picture of a character and a voice recording, and it makes a clip where the character speaks in sync. Lips, gestures, even sound effects. No dubbing step, no cloud, no subscription.
Here's what you need: an NVIDIA GPU with 8 GB of VRAM, that is our target, and 32 GB of system RAM is comfortable.
Disk space? About 43 GB for the official model set, or around 25 for the compact GGUF root. Software, the latest stable Comfy UI. That is it.
First, update Comfy UI. Open the manager, go to the Update tab, and click Update All. The LTX 2.3 templates ship inside Comfy UI Core, so a fresh install gives you everything. Restart when it finishes.
Now open the Templates panel from the left sidebar. Set the filter to Video. Then search for LTX 2.3 IA2V, Image Audio to Video. Click the card and the full workflow appears on your canvas.
If models are missing, Comfy UI lists them with download buttons.
Here is the circuit. Load image holds your character's face, load audio holds the voice. Both feed the big video generation node, that is the LTX 2.3 model. The text encoder loads Gemma 3 to understand your prompt, and Save Video writes the result.
3 inputs, 1 output.
Click the video generation node, and you get the dials. The prompt is pre-filled with a demo scene. Width and height default to 1280 by 720 at 24 frames per second. Audio start and duration come from your clip, and the seed controls randomness.
Time to download the models. 5 files. The 29 GB FP8 checkpoint, the 9 GB Gemma text encoder, a 2.7 GB distilled LoRa, a 1 GB upscaler, and a small 0.6 GB LoRa for the text encoder.
Each one goes into its own folder inside the models directory. About 43 gigabytes in total.
Now give the circuit its inputs. Click Load Image and pick a portrait. Click Load Audio and pick a voice recording. Any clean audio works. Optionally type your own prompt, then press Q prompt in the bottom corner.
Watch the pipeline work. It generates a low-resolution draft first, upscales the latent, then refines it at full resolution. This two-stage trick keeps memory low. Progress fills, and a live preview appears.
Done. Save Video writes an MP4 with the audio track built in. The character talks, the lips match the voice, and everything runs locally. No subscription, no watermark.
Only have 8 GB. Open the portable launcher, run _NVIDIA_GPU.bat, and add 4 flags: low VRAM, reserve VRAM1, cache LRU10, and a lightweight preview.
Then use the GGUF models, a 14 GB quantized checkpoint, a quantized text encoder, and separate video and audio VAEs.
Keep width and height divisible by 32. Start at 1280 by 720. And for 8 GB test at 480 by 720, then upscale.
Want it to be your face and your voice? Load the ID LoRa Talk vid model and a reference image of yourself, plus a short audio clip. LTX 2.3 adapts the appearance and the voice in one model.
Remember, only use faces and voices you own or have consent for.
2 errors stop most people. First, CUDA out of memory. Add the 4 flags, lower the resolution, or switch to GGUF files. Second, a red node that says model not found. Check that every file sits in the exact folder the workflow expects.
Get errors during install. Enable Git LFS and retry.
That is the whole loop. Update, open the template, download 5 models, add your image and audio, and queue. New LTX 2.5 needs 16 GB. This 8 GB 2.3 root is your local option. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy generating.